Hey everybody, Marion the Barbarian here. We are going to try to get through this quick shave. I was going to do my blue shave, my hashtag Meso Week shave last night and post it this morning, but waiting for the phone to charge, I passed out asleep. So, yeah. I guess you can see from the thumbnail, we are using Maggards London Barbershop. So if I have to pause and stuff, the kids are in the other room. I got them watching Mickey Mouse Clubhouse, and I'm hoping I have enough time to get this shave on. Matching aftershave splash. All sorts of blue going on here. Turn and shave. Nice and blue. Whipped up the lather. I mean, I just overloaded the crap out of the bowl. Didn't let the water out of the knot. Even added some more water, and I built this. It is what it is, you know? We're moving fast. I'm even using the blue Lancaster today for when I'm done. We're going blue, true blue. Razor, at least the scales are blue. Pretty blue, I like them. Been going through just getting rid of stuff that I don't use, and even though I haven't been using this like I should, really just need to get a new edge put on it. Even though I haven't been using it, I don't think I'm ever getting rid of this razor. Like, I got brushes that, you know, it's just time to get rid of, because I use the same thing pretty much all the time. Sorry if y'all hear the kids in the other room. As you can see, bath done last night. Washcloth still hanging. Still hanging. And you notice I got it cleaned from the other shave and she didn't know. Got a feeling my son's about to run in here. He's screaming football. 1 second. He's screaming football. I told him we were going to watch football today. Give him a heads up so I can watch some football. No Mickey Mouse Clubhouse during that time. We did eggs and toast this morning. Y'all hear? This is a regular thing. Go watch Mickey Mouse Clubhouse with sister, okay? Go with big sister. Go watch Mickey Mouse Clubhouse. Daddy will be in there in a little while, okay? Sorry, y'all get a kid infiltrated shave. I bring them on for y'all to see, but the ex-wife has always been against me putting the kids on video. Yeah, this edge isn't bad, but I don't like it. It's not as smooth as it needs to be. There we go. I'm going to pause, see if I can get him out of here. Well, let me finish the rest of this downward pass. And then I'll get him out of here. Yep. So, fitting in my Sunday blue shave. I do have the kids all weekend, all the way through tonight, all the way. I had on Friday night, Saturday night. It's been fun. Woke up at 4 a.m. this morning, they did. So, yeah. I'm going to pause, get him out of here, and I'll be right back. Had to explain. Football comes on later. I think it's like 8 a.m. We're Central Time Zone, not Pacific, so it's not like football is close to coming on. And there is not a London game that I know of this weekend. So no 9 o'clock game. Nice. This is a nice lather. I've heard some people say that it's subpar. One of the people I heard say it was subpar makes their own soap, and I kind of think their soap's subpar, so it is what it is. But we're going to give it a go again. See how it goes. This area's just been a beast lately, guys. Like trying to get it clean with a straight razor. I'm sorry, y'all probably. Hear cartoons in the background. Like, this is sharp. It's definitely sharp. It's just not smooth. Definitely sharp. Sharp. Like, from what I understand, 600 diamond plate to a 10K is how Koraat puts the edge on this. But Koraat's really more of a knife maker than a razor maker. I mean, they make razors, but they make knives. And from what I've been told, that's a good way to hone knives. Yeah, we're using as light as possible of a touch, because to be honest, yep, right there, it's rough. It's a rough edge. I hear it sits so flat on the stones though. Which means I shouldn't be scared to try to hone it myself. Being really quiet. But yeah, I was going to do this anyways. For Kim Gray, very nice lady in our community, at least the interactions I've had, and not saying someone's had bad interactions, I don't think they have, but anyways, lovely person. And I missed out on buying the Warrior. Oh, who was it? I know his name. He's emailed me a few times. He comments in the videos. Oh man, I'm drawing a blank and I am so sorry. He told me he bought 2. And he would send me one free of charge if I just did a Sunday blue shave. Which I was going to do anyways. And I'm like, well, thank you. You got it. Easy enough done. Something I was going to do anyways. Man, why is his name drawing a blank? I think I've even sold him items before. Like, I know this guy. I just cannot remember. Is it Robert Mancer? Maybe that's it. Let me wipe the face. Sorry using your full name, but you use it in the comments below. And I've seen you on lives and stuff, and I do believe it's your name as well. So we're going to stop the video. I'm going to rinse up, and we will be right back to recap. Alright guys, we are back. We're going to make it quick because the kids already came in and attacked me during that time frame. And I don't think I'm going to keep them out very long. Make sure I got this good and dry. Koraat 14 2.0. This is supposed to be kind of like a replica, duplicate of a Philly 14. Lovely razor. Just need a better edge put on it. Did get some irritation through here, which I tend to anyways, because I've been having a hard time getting close in this area no matter how much I stretch. I'll figure it out. Probably need to focus more. Matching aftershave. No, it's got a shit stricter in it, in my opinion. What I like to call a shit stricter, not DK. No burn, so guessing no alcohol in the splash. It was kind of milky coming out. It's a nice scent, guys. It's a barbershop scent. You know, no matter how many different brands have barbershops, there's like 3 or 4, and they're all the same. They're like 3 or 4 different ones, and people just put their branding of barbershop on it. Like they get the pre-made barbershop oils that they use for their stuff. I'm trying to think of which one this one smells like, but a few smell like this one. And freshen up, something I've been digging lately. Super cheap on Fragrance Buy. They used to have screw-on caps, now they're magnetic, makes it really awesome. But Mancera AOUD Blue Notes. Really digging this fragrance. 4 right there, 1 at the back, and look at this atomizer, guys. Did y'all see that? It's like boom, boom. So we are done. Finish it up. Hashtag Meso Week, not Miso Week, because miso is a soup, right? Okay, so guys, I will catch you later. I hope y'all have a wonderful weekend. We do love you, Kim, and everybody. Like I said, hopefully I'll catch you later this week.